Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to live loop in Ableton. Live looping is a powerful technique that allows you to create entire musical pieces on the fly, building up layers of sound in real time. It's fantastic for solo performers, improvisers, and anyone looking to add spontaneity to their music. We'll explore how Ableton Live's unique session view provides the ideal environment for capturing, overdubbing, and arranging your loops seamlessly. Get ready to unlock a new dimension of musical expression. Setting up Ableton Live correctly is your first step to successful live looping. Begin by navigating to your audio preferences to select your input and output devices, ensuring a clear signal path. Next, activate the metronome and consider setting your global quantization to a comfortable value, perhaps 1 bar or 2 bars, to help keep everything perfectly in sync. This foundational setup ensures your recorded loops will align rhythmically and sound professional. Now for the exciting part, recording your first loops. In Session View, simply select an empty clip slot on an audio or MIDI track. Press the record button and Ableton will begin capturing your performance. Once your phrase is complete, the clip will automatically loop. To build up your arrangement, activate the overdub button and record additional musical layers directly onto that same clip, creating rich, evolving textures. With your loops created, it's time to perform. Use the clip launch buttons to trigger individual loops or launch entire scenes to transition between different song sections. Explore follow actions to automate these transitions, creating a dynamic and evolving performance. Don't forget to experiment with Ableton's built-in effects and mixing tools to add depth, texture, and excitement, transforming your layered loops into a captivating live experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.